Fix msvcrt.dll missing or not found error in Windows. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. Fix 1. Install all Windows updates. Windows updates often carry bug fixes, which can resolve DLL errors. Please make sure your device is up to date. Fix 2. Run SFC and DISM. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. After entering all commands, restart your computer and try again, and your problem should be fixed. Fix 3. Install the missing Visual C++ components. There are many versions of Visual C++, and if some of these are missing from your computer, you might receive the msvcrt.dll missing or not found error. Fix 4. Re-register the file. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. Fix 5. Try System Restore. You can attempt to bring the system to a time when the problem did not exist with the help of System Restore. Pick the time before the problem occurred and click Next. Your computer will reboot.